Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 1 of setting up my YJ Yulong B2M. Anyway, here we go. First of all, we gotta, of course, what am I gonna do? I'll take apart the puzzle, and that's kind of simple. There we go. Oh my gosh, a corner came out while doing that. Anyway, let's take apart the puzzle. Ew, this is greasy. Okay, might as well take out the center caps as well. So look how dirty and disgusting this cube is. It's because of all the tracks in this cube. So let's just get this all together and move them here. We're gonna take out the center caps. So I have a toothbrush and I also have a towel. So let's just get this cleaned out. T-perm. Anyway, now we're gonna get our toothbrush and do all of this. So the core's done. We've got to do all of this. String right there. Alright, let's do this. Starting off with corners. We're just gonna go over it with the towel. Here we go. Make sure nobody uses this toothbrush as well because you're gonna have a really bad time. So, look at this disgusting putrid ball of pus and tell me why the hell is your cube so dirty? I purposely made mine all dirty, so shut the freak up. Alright. So now what we gotta do is put this cube back together out of its misery, and we're gonna do only halfway. So, here we go. So if you didn't know, I actually like to make cubies first and then put in these center caps. So most people make a cross, like F12, they make a cross and then do these, like basically F12, but I like doing this Petrus method of building, block building. Anyway, there's a string caught in this, so let's get it out. Make sure you don't get a string caught in anything. I mean, a hair. And just keep on going. So I want you guys to stop here, and before I move any further, I just want to clean out this cube. I mean, clean out the outside of the cube. And after you've done that, you want to lube up your cube. I'm not going to be doing this since this is part 1, and part 1 is cleaning out your cube. And part 2 would be everything about lube. So I'm just going to skip this part and keep on going. If you haven't done this yet, just put in your center caps. And finally clean out the cube one more time. There might be some dirt outside the cube and maybe even some lube. And yeah, my cube is very lubey right now. That's part 1 of how to lube up your cube. It turns so babyishly. Oh my god, my fingers, they're dead. I need to clean out this cube. And here we go. It feels a lot like a Guhong version 3. Actually. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me just solve this real quick. I forgot how to do F12. I'm so dumb. And it's an F perm. There we go. So yeah, I'm done. Leave it to you guys now.